Today, you guys, I'm gonna be cooking some crab. They're on sale right now, like $4.99 a pound. So like this is pretty good size, and they're still alive. Yeah, let me see. Some look at, oh my god, they're huge. Come on, on sale, a pound, one lot. Oh, what I told you again. I think this one's, well, they're about the same size. Good. Không ló nè. Lỡ nhom liêng cái đam nứng, liêng từ cái đào tới du tới cái đam nó nguyên để ngoa vậy. So just clean with hot water, spray them, and then eventually the crab will die. See. Còn nâng ready ngao cái đám. I'm ready to cook the crab. Put some castor lime leaf. This the cool side. Put a handful of it. Like crab. Just put it down there. You don't need a lot of water, just enough to steam the crab. Nhưng mà chăm đặtទឹកចាំពេកឯងពីព្រោះយើងនឹងចំហុយវាពេលយើងធ្វើទៅផ្សែងនឹងឆ្អិនណាស់ Cover it. So about 30 minutes, the crab should be cooked already. So yeah. Turn off your stove. ឥឡូវនឹងកន្លះម៉ោងក្តៅឆ្អិនណា I normally cook my crab first, and then I would do other stuff with it. You stir fry it. It's easier when you pre-cook it like this. When you cook it, it's much easier to work with. Cái chán cái đá nhầm ngao hay bao nhiêu trà xua, nhưng bỏ về trà phải trộn chít. Còn đây còn bao giờ cho ăn đi vậy. Cái đám cho nó này còn liệp nhằm đám như tục chạc lá chạc bài chạc lá hay nâng nhằm cho tự thấy nó anh này cái đám thùng như ké trong nâng vô về chạc bài này là nó nhầm mà đừng bỏ sạch vô sạch về. So what I'm going to do now is going to remove the meat. Okay, so do is just open this. Open a crab is open on this side. Oh, look at that. Ooh, yeah. Nice crab. Good. So you're gonna remove this. This is the gill, I believe. Remove this side, the fat and stuff. Nè, khoanh đấy nhầm đã cho chan sẵn á. You leave it by. You're gonna use this to mix with the rice. So I'm gonna move all this leg. Chừng với chính. Chà cái đam, chà bay cái đam. Này đi, chà bay cái đam mà chừng ảnh. Fried rice crab. Okay, that's what I'm making today. I'm gonna use my crab opener. Giờ tôi tiếp đi mọ với sườn. Look at that meat. That's like chana. Yeah, peeling crab is not easy. It's a hard job. So we don't do this every day. So maybe seasonal. Bỏ cái đám nó vuông tí rồi tay tròn nó chứ bị ngành hay dùng thư nhâm rò ngày vậy mà năm mà đòn chẳng thư đâu vì cái đám cho thau ấy những tên nhầm tao ná rồi bỏ bán hai chân lá màu nữa nè. Take about 30 minutes to peel this crab. all the meat out. Don't leave anything behind. You're gonna say, oh yeah. Okay, now for these part, remove this. You're changing it. So đây dùng vô cái bật. Need a knife for this. Big knife. Cái bật. Phẳng tàu cặp đi cái tí này. Just hi, na sopi dom tiate. Almost done, guys. 2 more pieces left. Nam dương bỏ hai ai. So this is the crab that I have peeled. That's all of me. We got 1 bowl, and then and it's a krok, chun sweet sausage. This is Chinese sausage here, like 4. I think it's 1 was a krok, and this is the fat from the crab. And it's clang cái đám đó, nhưng mình thưa tức lê cho 10 bài chả bài này. This is the rice that I cooked earlier this morning. About 3 cup in here. Now from here, bài em tạm bật mấy nhé. 17 chắc, 7 chắc. So I say 3 cup, okay? 3 cup of cooked rice. So now this is the, you know, the fat from the crab. So I'm gonna put that in there. And then pour cái đào nhé, lê 10 bài nữa. Mix it together. We're gonna mix it together. Okay, we can put some fish sauce. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. About 4 shake of that. And then some soy sauce. 1, 2. 2 of that. Okay. This is a fried garlic. And it's some bone. About maybe 2 teaspoons. This is sugar. Score 2 កន្លះស្លាបព្រាបាយ half tablespoon of sugar. We're gonna put some black pepper. ម្រេចណារោយម្រេចតិចណា a little bit, give it a shake. Mix it well. Okay, mix it well. And then a little bit of chicken soup mix. I need masala soup mix. Masala. About maybe a teaspoon. Hey, give it a mix. It's already good already. You can eat like this. Try mà này macam cha phong. Lâu điệp trà bài á này hiện tại prey olive oil. You can use mong ai pra prey chai các bạn làm tay nên prey ni prey dengan. So you guys can use any kind of oil you want. I have olive oil, so I'm just gonna use that. We're gonna cook the sausage first, okay? And then this is a fried garlic that I fried it before. Anh ấy tầm phong nhầm phong vì muốn hái đó, mình đặt lò tục bàn du lên. This is some of my sauce here. And it's the kind of looks like that. Anh nói dân đặt cồn số nó. You're gonna cook this about maybe 1 or 2 minutes. The sausage is pretty fast. You want it to be medium. And that's still gonna mold like it outside. So now I'm gonna put this to the side. อันนี้กระดานเนี่ยจัดโจนะช่วยตำปูนี่ฮะ so that's the rice that you marinate earlier ไอ้ใบยังหลังมาดังเหรอเราเรียกจัดโจนะ so we don't need to put any seasoning already because we marinate the rice already ยังบัดจำดักเครื่องที่ไอ้ใบยังหลังให้เหรอYou're gonna taste it, see what else you need. Hang on, mọi ơi. Hỏi lớn. See? Cái này snow nữa đặt bài tôi đi mất. For presentation, okay? You want a nice presentation, you use this. Just tấm những đặt rồi bể lớn á. You can garnish it with some green onion. There you go. That's it. Fried rice crab by cha đàm canh và cho chất. Xong bên đây muối. Hay chơi share, chơi like, hay don't forget to subscribe. Okay, you guys, if you like this recipe. Okay, let's try it. See how was it? This is a crab right here. Cái đám này, cái đám à. Cha bái, cha mày bái, đã nhân máu. It's good, very good. Mom. So pay the mom on taste of the crab meat too, right there. Look at the crab meat right there. Chúng anh mình đây này. Hôm nay về bạn thơ với you bên đây, you know. Once in a lifetime. Get the real taste of it. Dungeon crab. Recommend it. Oh my god. Very good. Okay, con trai bon. Bộ tỏ thế để bạn từ sana video review thưa cái đam bài cha. Thank you for watching, guys. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hãy bấm on cho chất xong mẹ đại môi, rồi share, hãy like, hãy nâng subscribe. Okay, con chào chăm chúc hết nào sau đó coi điện. Bye bye.
Very good.